Today we're going to be talking about some other lowercase letters. This is a group of a lot of vowels and other frequently used letters. And I have a fun friend that came to join us today, Wonder Woman. Yes, Wonder Woman wants to help you become a superhero letter writer. And so she's excited to help us today with some of our vowels. We're just going to move your awesome Wonder Woman sign there. And the first vowel that Wonder Woman's going to help us learn to make is the letter U, lowercase letter U. So we're going to, letter U is a small letter. It's going to stay between these two middle and bottom lines, and it's going to start on the side with the smiley, with a straight line down, and then a nice curve at the bottom, up to the top line, down, and bump. Sits right on the bottom line, straight line down, nice curve, up, down, bump the line. That's the letter U for today. Erase that one here. And let's look at our next vowel. Our next vowel that Wonder Woman wants to show us how to make is the letter I. So we know the capital I starts up tall, the big line down, but the lowercase I is just going to start at the middle line. And it's just a straight line down, come back and put one little dot just above that middle line. Line down, bump to the bottom, dot just on top. Can you see that dot? Not too big. Right. Those are frequently used vowels. We have another vowel that is used really frequently, and this one has a special story of how we make this vowel. This is the letter E. It's a very important vowel in a lot of words, the end of a lot of words, and all over the place in the middle. Right, E plays baseball, and it starts in between this middle and bottom line, starts in the middle of those two, and it hits the ball out, and then it runs around the bases, and it touches the top line, and it touches where it started, and it touches the bottom line and stops. It's not quite a home run. E. Start in the middle, straight line out, hit that ball, and then run the bases up to the top line, nice curve around to where you started, down, touch the bottom line, around, and stop. Letter E. All right, we've got another letter in this group here. It's not a vowel, but it's a frequently used letter that we use a lot. And it's very easy to make, but we just have to make sure that we start it at the top. So this one's just going to start at the top, straight line down, and stop at the bottom. So that's the letter L, lowercase letter L. Capital L is a lot like it, with a big line down, and then we turn and make a little line. Lowercase, we just need that straight line and stop. Okay. See another letter that's pretty frequently used and can be a little bit tricky. This one also likes to play a sport. This plays karate, and it's the lowercase letter K. And it's going to start at the top also, over by the smiley face, straight line down, stop at the bottom. Then we're going to come up to this middle line, and then we're going to come into our straight line and kick back out. One line. I did not move my marker. Into the middle, kick back out. Karate K. Big line down, come into the middle, kick out. Make sure that you make it the right size, because it's similar to its capital partner, big line down, but the capital starts at the top and comes into the middle line and karate kicks out. So both of them come in and kick out. The lowercase letter K has a smaller kick that stays between the two middle lines, and the capital K has that bigger kick that comes to the middle line and kicks back out. The only difference, so you need to make sure that when you're writing, we know which one you're meaning to write. Right. We have another group there, and this letter is a descending letter, so it's going to go down below the line. So our small letters stay right in between the middle and the bottom line. Our tall letters, we can hold our hand up tall, go from the top to the bottom line. And then our descending letters start at the middle line and they go down below. We may have to move this out of the way a little bit to make these descending letters. Let's start with this letter, is the letter Y, lowercase y. It starts at the middle line with a diagonal, stop at the bottom line, come to the top over a little bit, and then go down, 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 keep going, down, 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 underground, below the baseline. The two lines meet right at the baseline, and then the long line keeps going down. Okay, line down to the bottom, come up with a diagonal that meets at the bottom and keeps going down below. Okay, that we have one more, also a descending letter. This one is going to start at the top line, and we're going to go down, down, down again, below the line, turn towards the smile, and stop, and then let's put a dot on top. Lowercase letter J. It comes down, turns towards the smile, and then a dot on top. Okay, lowercase j. That is all of our letters in this group of vowels and frequently used consonants. And so Wonder Woman wants you to become a superhero writer, so make sure you pay attention to those lines. Make sure you start all your letters at the top, even the lowercase letters, and watch whether they're small, tall, or descending below the line. Bye. Thanks, Wonder Woman.